Hi, welcome you to this new section of this shoe sculpting, and in this first video I'm going to do the sole and not the full sole. We are going to block the sole, then I might take 1 or 2 videos to complete it. So we are going to bring these images inside ZBrush and we are going to see how to do it. So I have some like different view images here, you can see. So let's go to ZBrush. So here I'm inside ZBrush. So now the canvas is empty, I don't have anything. So now I'm going to bring something so that I can import the reference image. And now I'm going to import some, let's say, plane. So I'm going to take this plane 3D and let's bring that plane here. And now I have this plane here in my scene. Now I'm going to draw, and if you follow this front back, so I'm going to bring the front image to this map 1, back image to the map 2. So let's click on map 1 and let's import the front image of the shoe. So here I have my reference image, so I'm going to bring the front to the map 1. So you can see now I have got the front image. Now I'm going to bring the back image. So click on map 2, this would be the back image. So let's click on the back of the shoe. Now you can see on that, from this side you can see the back, and from this side this is the front. So let's import the top and the bottom part of the shoe. So let's go back to draw, and this time let's go to up down here, expand that and click on map to bring the up. So let's import the up image first. So let's import the up one. So this is the up one. Here you can see the shoe should face this direction. Now it's facing this direction, so I'm going to rotate that. So let's go to draw, and in order to rotate you need to go to the image, click on that, make sure that is selected and click on this rotate. So now I'm going to bring the back. So let's click on this map 2 and import the bottom part of the shoe, which is the shoe sole design. You can see now they are matching. And now I'm going to bring the side image. So let's bring the side, which is the left right. So here you can see I have front back, up down and left right. So let's go to map 1, import, and in this case I'm going to import this right side because my shoe is the facing direction is towards the right. So bring that one first and then bring the left one. So let's go to draw, import and bring the left. This is the way to bring the reference images. And here you can see I can see through the model. You can see this is my plane and I can see through it, and I can see the behind image. And if you go to draw, and there is some settings to help you decide how much you want to see through. So let's go to draw, and you have these two options, which is one is the enhance opacity and enhance factor. If you adjust these things, you can see now it makes it more transparent, less transparent, and this makes the backside image more prominent or transparent. So this is for the image and this is for the model transparency. Okay, and here we have some fill mode. You can see now 3. If I go to 0 mode, it's totally hide those images, and if you go to 1 mode, it again show the images with a little bit dull kind of settings, and if you go to 2, it's more bright. On the 3 mode you can see through the mesh. Now I'm stopping this video here. In the next video we are going to start doing the sole.